Dear viewers, today we are going to learn about the role of yoga in the prevention of mental disorders, psychosis, and neurosis. Dear viewers, please watch the entire video. The video will be followed by MCQs based on the presentation. Let us first try to understand the role of yoga in preventing mental disorders. Mental health is a critical component of overall well being and is especially important in the context of education and child development. In recent years, mental disorders such as psychosis and neurosis have become increasingly prevalent among students and educators due to academic pressure, stress, anxiety, and emotional instability. Yoga, a holistic discipline that unites the body, mind, and spirit, has been recognized as a powerful tool for the prevention and management of mental health issues. Understanding mental disorders. 1. Psychosis. Psychosis is a severe mental disorder characterized by a disconnection from reality. Individuals with psychosis may experience delusions, false beliefs, hallucinations, seeing or hearing things that are not there, disorganized thinking and speech, impaired insight and judgment. Common conditions associated with psychosis include schizophrenia and bipolar disorder with psychotic features. 2. Neurosis. Neurosis refers to mild to moderate mental health issues that involve chronic distress but do not include delusions or hallucinations. Symptoms include anxiety, phobias, obsessive compulsive tendencies, depression, emotional instability. Yoga as a preventive tool. Yoga encompasses physical postures, asanas, breathing exercises, pranayam, meditation, dhyana, and moral discipline, yams and niyamas, which together promote mental clarity, emotional stability, and inner peace. 1. Impact on the nervous system. Yoga regulates the autonomic nervous system, reducing sympathetic, stress-induced activity and enhancing parasympathetic, relaxation, response. This modulation helps calm the mind and reduce anxiety, which is essential in preventing neurosis. 2. Stress reduction. Regular yoga practice lowers cortisol levels, the stress hormone, which helps in managing chronic stress, a major cause of both neurosis and psychotic episodes. 3. Emotional regulation. Meditation and mindfulness increase emotional intelligence, enabling individuals to manage emotions like anger, fear, and sadness more effectively. This can prevent emotional outbursts, panic attacks, and depressive episodes. 4. Cognitive enhancement. Yoga enhances concentration, memory, and decision-making abilities, which are often impaired in both neurosis and psychosis. Pranayam improves oxygenation and circulation, leading to better brain functioning. 5. Increased self-awareness. Practices like self-reflection and meditation enhance awareness of one's thoughts and emotions, enabling early detection of psychological distress. This self-awareness can help individuals seek help before disorders progress. 6. Social and moral discipline. The ethical practices of yams, example nonviolence, truthfulness, and niyamas, example contentment, self-discipline, build character and reduce inner conflict, which contributes to mental stability. Types of food according to yogic diet. The yogic diet plays an essential role in maintaining physical health and mental balance. Yogis believe that you are what you eat, and food directly influences the mind, manas, and consciousness, chitta. From a psychological perspective, The type of food one consumes can promote clarity or confusion, peace or agitation. Three types of food in yogic philosophy. Yogic texts classify food into three categories based on the gunas, qualities of nature: sattva, rajas, and tamas. 1. Sattvic food, pure, harmonious, and balanced foods that increase clarity, calmness, and spiritual growth. Examples: fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, nuts and seeds, fresh dairy products like milk and ghee, legumes, honey and herbal teas. Psychological impact: promotes mental clarity, peace, and contentment, balances emotions and improves concentration. Ideal for students and educators seeking emotional balance and focus. 2. Rajasic food, stimulating and overactive foods that stimulate the body and mind excessively, leading to restlessness and aggression. Examples: spicy and fried foods, coffee and tea, excess, chocolate and pickles, onions and garlic, in yogic context, fast food and processed items. Psychological impact: increases restlessness, aggression, and anxiety. May lead to emotional instability and overactivity. Not suitable for individuals prone to neurosis or psychosis. 3. Tamasic food, impure, stale, and dulling foods that are stale, processed, or fermented and decrease energy and vitality. Examples: stale or reheated food, meat, alcohol, and tobacco. Overripe or spoiled food, deep fried and heavily preserved items. Psychological impact: leads to lethargy, confusion, depression, and mental dullness. Increases chances of emotional disturbances and psychotic symptoms. Discouraged for individuals needing alertness and mental clarity. Dear viewers, let us solve some important multiple choice questions from the presentation. 1. Which of the following is a characteristic of psychosis? A. Mild anxiety symptoms. B. Hallucinations and delusions. C. Enhanced memory performance. D. Increased physical energy. Answer: B. Hallucinations and delusions. 2. Neurosis is mainly associated with which of the following? A. Disconnection from reality. B. Delusional thinking. C. Chronic emotional distress. D. Schizophrenic behavior. Answer: C. Chronic emotional distress. 3. Which yogic practice directly helps regulate the autonomic nervous system? A. Fast jogging. B. Pranayam. C. Weightlifting. D. Dancing. Answer: B. Pranayam. 4. What effect does yoga have on cortisol levels in the body? A. Increases cortisol. B. Completely removes cortisol. C. Decreases cortisol. D. Has no effect on cortisol. Answer: C. Decreases cortisol. 5. Which aspect of yoga improves emotional regulation and self-awareness? A. Heavy exercise. B. Loud chanting. C. Meditation. D. High-speed sports. Answer: C. Meditation. 6. Which yoga-related quality helps prevent both psychosis and neurosis? A. Aggression. B. Emotional instability. C. Mindfulness. D. Hyperactivity. Answer: C. Mindfulness. 7. According to yogic philosophy, Which type of food is considered pure and promotes mental clarity? A. Tamasic food. B. Rajasic food. C. Sattvic food. D. Fermented food. Answer. C. Sattvic food. 8. Which of the following foods is not considered sattvic? A. Fresh fruits. B. Legumes. C. Fried snacks. D. Whole grains. Answer. C. Fried snacks. 9. What is the psychological impact of Rajasic food? A. Promotes inner peace. B. Induces lethargy. C. Increases restlessness and anxiety. D. Enhances deep meditation. Answer. C. Increases restlessness and anxiety. 10. Tamasic food is believed to lead to which of the following? A. Clarity and vitality. B. Confusion and lethargy. C. Inner calmness. D. Active awareness. Answer. B. Confusion and lethargy. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education.